Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you multiple method to stay AFK in Roblox Mobile. So for the first method guys is just simply go ahead and tap on the Roblox icon on the top left, and after that just tap on the reset character in the middle guys, and just simply tap on the jump button repeatedly. So I'm going to tap on reset character and tap on reset and tap the jump button rapidly, and you'll be able to do the jump glitch as you can see. And from here, you should be able to go for AFK. And now for the second method, guys, is just simply go ahead and go for orange and lemon trick. So from there, just simply put an orange or lemon into your screen. So now for the second option is clay or a play dough. So guys, this is a very effective in some ways. So guys, having a clay or play dough on your screen makes it an auto clicker as well. So now for the third option that you have is just simply go ahead and go to your settings guys. And from here, just simply go ahead and go to display, and from here, make sure to go to the screen timeout. Just make it sure that you have it into a maximum. On my case, the maximum is 10 minutes, but sometimes other phone have an option to never. So from there, guys, just simply leave your phone and you'll be able to be AFK. And lastly, the last method that you have is just simply go open up your web browser and search for AutoClicker APK. So from here, you should be able to see multiple applications that offer an auto clicker app, and just simply download it. And you can try downloading it into a different website. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thanks for watching.